More beans on top. And there you go, guys. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing lima beans today, and it's the first thing in the morning. It's like 6:30 in the morning, and I already had the turkey neck here going. I let this start about 30 minutes ago. I just started to set it to boil. I want to get this on a head start before we put it in the lima beans here, guys. These lima beans have been sitting overnight, right? And we're going to put these in a slow cooker. All right, guys, so with our crock pot, we drained our beans, right? Gonna put them in like that. I'm gonna just go ahead and go in with it. We only did use one onion, one small onion. Go in with that. All right, and then we're gonna go in with our complete seasoning. I'm gonna go 1 whole tablespoon. You know what? Make it 2. And guys, check this out, right? Now the doctor's telling me I need to cut back on my sodium, right? So the only salt that we're putting in here is the salt that's with this complete seasoning. That's it. Now, I'm making this because I don't want to use anything out of the can because that even has more sodium, right? So that's why you see me not use a lot of salt in my videos. I'm cutting back on it. All right, so we got some granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon. Some granulated onion, 1 tablespoon. And then some cracked black pepper, not too much. About that much. Then we got our turkey neck that we've been boiling. I'm going to give this a head start. Then we're going to go in with all the juices, all the water. Give this a spin. Guys, I'm going to put just a little bit more water in here because this is going to be cooking all day long. If I had to say, I would say this is probably about 6 cups of water. Alright guys, so we're just going to set it to manual, right? We're going to keep our temp to low, right? Our temperatures are low. Yeah, we're going to set this to 6 hours. Start. Guys, we'll see this in 6 hours, and it'll keep warm by the time we get home, alright? Be back. Alright guys, we're back home after work. Let's see what we got. This is going to keep warm, right? Let's see what we got. Guys, it's smelling good, right? Let's see what they look like. They're nice and soft. Yep. Let's give this a taste. Lima beans, guys. Better than what's coming out of the can. Less sodium. That's our gold, right? Nice, buttery smooth. Guys, it doesn't need any more salt. So just the salt from the complete seasoning is all we needed. I'm going to see if this is going to shred up. Yes, it is. I'm going to shred this up real quick. I'm going to bring you guys back. Guys, easy schmeezy. Now, one thing I would probably do if I was cooking this in a pot and I was able to babysit it, I would smash some of these lima beans up like halfway through when it's cooking. And our juice would get a lot thicker. It'd be a lot thicker. So that is the one downside of this. You don't have that like gravy consistency. But you know what? We're not eating something out of the can. We got home, we got lima beans, and we got lima beans for quite a few days, right? I wonder if I can freeze this. Right? Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right. Guys, please like, subscribe. All right, guys, so take a look at this. We got some rice, right? Gonna grab some of them beans, right? Put that on top. Some meat. Guys, this is a meal all in of itself. Some more beans on top. And there you go, guys. This is a meal by itself. Now, I wish there was a little bit more of a gravy consistency to this, right? But it's going to be fine. We made this ourselves. We know exactly what's inside. Now, let's give this a taste. Get some of that meat, some beans. Come here, meat. Got some meat, some beans, right? Right? Guys, when they say rice and beans and rice, a bowl of this and some lima beans, guys, you got a meal for the night, right? Guys, this is good stuff. Like, subscribe. You know what? I got some leftover oxtails. I'm going to put that with this. Guys, like and subscribe. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.